Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription on Rocket Money. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to use Rocket Money in the first place. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money by tracking your spending, finding ways to cancel unused subscriptions, and negotiating bills. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to get a better handle on their finances. So, now that we know what Rocket Money is and why you might want to use it, let's get started on creating a subscription. Here are the steps I'll be following. Sign up for a Rocket Money account. Add your bank accounts. Connect your credit cards. Find and cancel unused subscriptions. Negotiate bills. Track your spending. Set financial goals. Step 1. Sign up for a Rocket Money account. To get started, you'll need to create a Rocket Money account. You can do this by going to the Rocket Money website or downloading the app. Once you've created an account, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Add your bank accounts. Next, you'll need to add your bank accounts to Rocket Money. This will allow Rocket Money to track your spending and income. You can add bank accounts by going to the Accounts tab and clicking on the Add Account button. Step 3. Connect your credit cards. You can also connect your credit cards to Rocket Money. This will allow Rocket Money to track your credit card spending and help you find ways to save money on interest. You can connect your credit cards by going to the Accounts tab and clicking on the Add Account button. Step 4. Find and cancel unused subscriptions. Rocket Money can help you find and cancel unused subscriptions. This can save you a lot of money each month. To find and cancel unused subscriptions, go to the Subscriptions tab and click on the Find and Used Subscriptions button. Step 5. Negotiate bills. Rocket Money can also help you negotiate bills. This can save you money on your monthly expenses. To negotiate bills, go to the Bills tab and click on the Negotiate Bills button. Step 6. Track your spending. Rocket Money can help you track your spending so that you can see where your money is going. To track your spending, go to the Spending tab. Step 7. Set financial goals. Rocket Money can help you set financial goals and track your progress towards them. To set financial goals, go to the Goals tab. And that's it. You've successfully created a subscription on Rocket Money. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.